Hi guys, today in my workshop I have this Hotchkiss H35. This is another first to fight kit. I like them because they are easy to build, they offer a good amount of details and they are quite inexpensive. Because I knew I will not be painting those trucks separately, I glued them to the hull. This kit comes with a gun in a separate sprue that I had to cut out. This model has some keying that help to align a gun with its bridge. On the back of the turret there is a hatch that you can leave open if you want to. To make the tracks more separated, I used brown primer. For the rest of the model, I was using only grey primer. With black paint, I was creating fake shadows in the corners. I didn't have the exact green, so I created my own. To make the pattern, I was using liquid mask. With a toothpick, I was able to recreate the pattern that you could see on the box. This turret has 3 colors, so I had to apply the liquid mask twice. When the mask was dry, I was able to paint the model. To make black lines, I was using fine liner. This method is better than using brush because the lines are consistent around the model. I was using ultra glue for the tools because they were already painted. With Tamiya oil paints, I painted brown stains around the turret. With Dectan, I painted some dust accumulations. With a little bit of plaster and dark wash, I created fake mud. I applied it all over the tracks to make them more realistic. And that is it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.